You gave me love. Even I'm not sure if I deserve it.
We are two broken people who just found each other at the right time. It is just unfortunate that I have to leave you first, my love.
Don't talk like that, George, please. That's why we're trying every treatment. Everything. I'm trying everything for you.
No more treatments, Arya. I'm tired.
George.
I just want to spend my remaining days with you.
Raj, are you okay?
It's just unfortunate that I have to leave you first, Chinta ko. And when I am gone, I want you to pursue the justice you have longed for. I want you to be brave and strong. I leave everything I own in your name. Fight. And always know that I'm right beside you.
George.
Ma'am Arya, I'll wait for you outside.
Salamat, Tinggal, Chinta ko. Maraming salamat sa buhay na binigay mo sa akin. Lagi ka nandito sa puso ko. Paalam, Raj. At nagpapaalam na din ako sa Aryang nakilala mo. Yung Aryang mahina. Dahil pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas, makikilala na nila si Arya Bakari.